Good morning, students. Welcome to another class of IP. So let's start a new unit, that is unit number 4, database concepts and structure query language. Student, as you can see here, it consists of 30 marks. So you can say that this is very important from theoretical point of view as well as practical point of view. Student, both the point of view, theoretical as well as practical, this unit is most important. Okay, and this database concept and structure query language, this is the name of our unit. This same unit you will study in class 12th also. So here, this is a part 1 of this database management system, and you will study the same unit in 12th also with the new features or modification, or you can say that in more detail. Okay, so let's start the unit. Here you can see the content of this unit: name of unit, database concepts, and the structure query language. Student, this structure query language, in short we call it SQL. So first we will see the introduction of database concept and its needs, and then we will see the definition of database management system. Then we will study a model, that is relational data model, and term related with this relation data model like domain, tuple, row, column, candidate key, primary key, and so on. And after that, we will do the queries. Structure query language. We will see the classification of query, and then we will perform the practicals related to that. Okay, let's start this unit. Let's start this unit. Student, this is the second part of today's class. Here you can see the basic term in database is data. Data is a major part in IP. Okay, data is a raw material used as input, or we can say that raw facts and figure that are available to us. And data is derived from Latin word, and process form of data is known as information. So student, here is an example of data and information. Data is digits, number, alphabet, RAM, age, 42, age, and so on. These are the data, and when we process it, it is known as information. For example, Ram age is 42 years. So, it is telling about the particular thing about Ram. So, this is process form of data and it is known as information. Student, here you can see in the diagram also. We are provides bits, and when we process those bits, then it becomes an information. See this diagram. In this diagram, data is provided as an input. After processing, we will get the information. Okay. So data versus information is clear to you. Next is database management system. So this database system is comprises of three terms. First is database, second is management, and third is system. So let's talk about the database. Database, it is an organized collection of data. A collection of data is referred as database, and database contains information relevant to an particular organization or enterprise. And management means a handling information in a proper way to store and received database information that is both convenient and efficient is called DBMS. स्टूडेंट जब हम पर्टिकुलर डेटा को एक ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फॉर्म में अरेंज कर देते हैं यही होता है आपका डेटाबेस और उस डेटाबेस में जब हम क्या करते हैं डिफरेंट टाइप्स के मैनेजमेंट का काम करते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन को हैंडल करने का काम करते हैं तब हम जिस सॉफ्टवेयर का यूज़ करते हैं दैट इज नोन एज DBMS or to access and manage database we need a management system. So database management system deal with management of large information. It is also check the safety of information and also ensure the correctness of information. तो हम database के बारे में क्या कह सकते हैं? So what we can say about database management system? It is a software used to manage database is called database management system. Student, so let's move towards relational database. A database in which the data is stored in the form of relations, means in the form of table, is called relational database. Student, so you can consider database as a container and in that container we are having lots of table so we can say that that database is known as a relational database. A relational database is a collection of one or more tables. This relational database management system, in short we call it RDBMS. ऐसा डेटाबेस सिस्टम जिसमें डिफरेंट टाइप्स के एक या एक से ज़्यादा टेबल को कलेक्ट किया जाता है और इन्हीं टेबल को रिलेशन कहा जाता है इसीलिए इस सिस्टम का नाम रिलेशनल डेटाबेस सिस्टम रखा गया सो इन शॉर्ट वी कॉल इट RDBMS. Student, DBMS used to manage relational database is called RDBMS. Some popular RDBMS software are Oracle, MySQL, Sybase, Ingress, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, IBM, Informatics, SQLite and many more. हम इसमें से MySQL as a backend यूज करेंगे and practical देखेंगे. Okay. We will see practical as well as theoretical part of this unit. We had already seen the basic terminology related with RDBMS. Now हम एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू इसे और देख लेते हैं. Suppose an empty box is called database. If in that box we are having different types of item as a table, that is known as relational database management system. So you think like this RDBMS contain table. A student, you can see in this diagram SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL. These are the software in which data is stored in the form of table. After that, let's talk about the benefits of DBMS. Why we use this database management system? By using DBMS, first point, redundancy can be controlled. मीन्स इसका जो फर्स्ट बेनिफिट है वी कैन से दैट द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ DBMS है वो है रिटर्डेंसी कंट्रोल्ड. रिटर्डेंसी मीन्स डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेटा. Duplication of data can be controlled using DBMS. After that, next point is inconsistency can be avoided. Inconsistency means if you having same record at two places, we can tell that record is proper or which is not. So such situation is known as inconsistency. So that type of situation can be avoided by DBMS. बेस्ट स्टूडेंट इसके अंदर जब रिटर्डेंसी फीचर होता है जिसके थ्रू हम डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेटा नहीं हो सकता है ना। इनकंसिस्टेंसी में क्या होता है कि आप सेम रिकॉर्ड को अगर आपने टू प्लेसेस पे लिखा है और रखा है तो उस इनकंसिस्टेंसी को भी मैनेज करने का काम कौन करता है, डीबीएमएस, विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम इंटीग्रिटी कंस्ट्रेंट। विद द हेल्प ऑफ DBMS, data can be shared. It is a third benefit or advantages of DBMS. मीन्स आप डेटा को सेंटर कंप्यूटर में रखकर शेयर भी कर सकते हैं। नाउ लास्ट, सिक्योरिटी रिस्ट्रिक्शन कैन बी अप्लाइड। मीन्स आप यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड के थ्रू आपके डेटा को क्या कर सकते हो, सिक्योर कर सकते हो। Student, these are the basic advantages of DBMS। और भी DBMS के यूज करने का रीजन है, कुछ बेनिफिट्स है, हम अगली क्लास में से देखेंगे।